This e-learning shows you important steps for working with the PCA communication software JUMO PCC. JUMO PCC enables the automatic readout and archiving of measurement data recorded by JUMO field instruments with recording function. The transfer is usually made via Ethernet. Depending on the type of device, data transfer can also take place via RS interface, modem connection, or the configuration interface of the devices. The PCC establishes the connection to the instrument at definable time intervals. The software compares the existing measurement data archive with the data in the recorder. Data which are not yet in the archive are transferred to it. The read data in the recorder are marked as read, and the memory area used for this is displayed as available. JUMO components from which the PCC is to read out data are added to the device list, here using the example of the logo screen 700. The assistant for setting up connection is opened. The logo screen 700 is selected under device version. The recorder can be reached via the Ethernet interface. In the connection settings, setup or ring buffer via TCP/IP is selected. If the user data have been changed in the device, they must be updated here. Otherwise, the default user and password are suggested. DHCP is activated in the recorder by default. If automatic address assignment is supported in the network, the recorder automatically receives an IP address. This IP address is entered in the PCC. After selecting archive, the storage location and the name of the archive are defined. By default, the archives are stored in a standard path. The storage location can be set individually as follows. If an archive file already exists for the recorder, it can be selected here. If a new archive is to be created, the archive name is entered. Several storage locations can be specified. For example, the creation of another backup archive on the server is possible. In the time settings, the time intervals between two readout processes are defined. This can be periodically, daily, weekly, monthly, or according to a definable schedule. In the example, the automatic update is selected to daily at 6 AM. The PCC can automatically synchronize the time of the connected devices to prevent a time drift. The prerequisite for this is that the time of the devices does not deviate from the PC time by more than 30 seconds. In the example described, the time is to be synchronized daily at midnight. From now on, it is no longer necessary to set the time manually. The overview shows all settings, and after confirmation, the device is added to the list. Subsequent changes are possible at any time. Data transmission can also be started manually. For this purpose, the respective device is marked in the list and manual transmission is started. The status of the transfer is displayed. After the first read-in, the data are available in the archive. The archive can be called up directly from the PCC. The PCA 3000 evaluation software is started and the transfer time range is displayed. Automatic mode is activated in order to transfer the data cyclically. If the PCC window should not be visible during operation, automatic in background is used. From now on, the PCC appears only as an icon in the info area of the taskbar, but it is still active. If the PC is restarted from the state, the PCC is also started and goes into automatic mode in the background again. After a double click on the symbol, PCC is again in the foreground. All information about our seminars, webinars, e-learnings and reference books are available on our homepage.